The most common dish that you will see in Benin is called pot, and that's spelled P-A-T-E. Pot generally is made by mixing a flour of some sort, generally either corn, millet, or the dried skins of yams. They make that into a flour, they mix it with hot water, and they make it into this kind of like a porridge, but then the porridge will harden until to the point where you can kind of like break off chunks of it. And then you dip these chunks of pot into a sauce of some kind. Generally a tomato-based spicy sauce or a peanut-based sauce. That sauce could have fish or meat in it, or it could not, depending on how much money you have. Another dish that you'll see more frequently in the north than in the south, but occasionally you'll see it in the south, is something called nyampile. That means pounded yams. So here in the States, we sort of interchange the word sweet potato and yam. Both are sort of like a root tuber with a kind of orangey flesh. In Benin and in most of West Africa, a yam is something completely different from that. It's a huge ground tuber that has like a black skin and white flesh. And they grow these in these big piles of dirt that they call boots. So they'll take these yams, they skin them, they use the skins to make this other pot flour that they can use to make pot. And then the yams they cook, and then they put them in these huge mortar and pestles, and they pound them so that they make this stuff that's almost like the consistency of mashed potatoes. And you eat that like pot, where you like pull off a hunk of it, dip it in sauce, and eat it.